This is a quick tutorial on how to use Keyhole Labs' mobile Tyer World app. Tyer World is a Go reference application that displays YouTube fly tying instructional videos organized into virtual fly boxes by both species and location. When you open the mobile application from your iOS or Android device, the first thing you'll see is a world map with various red pins marking locations. Tapping on a pin will display the name and location of a body of water. Tapping on the name will bring you to a virtual fly box, or a collection of YouTube fly tying instructional videos on how to tie flies that are proven to catch fish specifically in that area. Tapping on the back arrow in the top right-hand corner or on the world map icon at the bottom of the screen will bring you back to the starting page. There are several ways to find the flies that you're looking for. Tap on the location icon at the bottom of the screen. If you prefer, you can view the fly boxes via a list of locations instead of on the map. Just like the pins on the world map, tapping on a location will bring you to a virtual fly box of videos from experts on how to best tie flies in that location. In a similar fashion, by tapping on the species icon at the bottom of the screen, you can view the fly boxes by species as well. Also on the bottom of the screen, you'll find the activity icon. This handy feature shows you fly tying instructions that were recently added to fly boxes, so you can stay up to date on the latest fly tying videos on YouTube. Tyer World gives you an easy way to find the YouTube fly tying instructional videos you need in seconds. Now available free on the App Store for both Android and iOS. Give it a shot and happy fishing!